Wow!
Guys, kain tayo. Ngayon lang nakatapos ng trabaho. Always remember na bukas na ang ukay ganda ng Pasko. This will be
Wow.
on our Balele Gymnasium from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So see you there. Ang gaganda ng mga items. Almost brand new. Tandaan nyo yan, ha. Uulitin ko. Almost brand new. At ang mga paborito yung items andoon. For sure magugustuhan nyo. Kaya see you there tomorrow. 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Balele Gymnasium. Okay, kita kits. Thank you.